Is it amazing how these trees provide us with shade and fresh air? There's so much more than this beautiful scenery. And did you know that?
What are we waiting for? Let's go.
Did you know that trees help produce air pollution? The green plants utilize carbon dioxide from the environment during the process of photosynthesis and release oxygen into the atmosphere. That's crucial for when we breathe.
That is true. It is crucial, but I don't think we need that many trees. An adult can do it for us, like the government.
Why we, teenagers, need to contribute when all the adults say is that we only need to study?
Because we share this earth with the trees. It's not just the adults that the trees help. We too need oxygen.
Okay, please keep your bag at the back of the class, please. Okay, you will be given 1 hour and 15 minutes to do paper 1. And you may start now. Okay guys, time's up. Please put your pen and pencils down and make sure you guys already write your name in class. Okay? Okay, the best in class for this year final exam is Amanina. She excellent in every question. So you guys can refer to her for your any mistake and do each correction. Okay, that's all for today. Class dismissed.
Trees help in filtering up to a third of fine particle pollutants within 300 yards of the tree.
This can also help in reducing rates of cardiac disease, stroke and asthma due to improved air quality.
Other than that, trees can help in managing stormwater, keeping pollutants out of waterways and reducing urban flooding.
Furthermore, it can reduce stress by helping interrupt thought patterns that lead to anxiety and depression. Whoa, where did you get this young tree? This looks so cool!
Do you still to impress Aman into helping your part of the presentation?
You think so love me, Yana, but now I gotta find the gardener. It is yours, Aman, if you want it.
Cool, because you always talk about nature but never really get the chance to take care of one.
Suppose that's true.
And I would love to try and take care of it. And I'll name you Benny. Benny? That's like somebody's name. Probably more suitable for Yana because her name doesn't suit her at all.
I'm just jealous that my name sounds like ancient goddess.
You wish my name is a part of your eyes.
Whatever.
Did you know that Aman is leaving school?
Really? What school would she go to?
I don't know.
Are you sure? How can she leave her friends? They are as thick as thieves.
But I heard her talking to our class teachers about changing school in the teacher's office.
That's unexpected, but I'm going for a seat of SPM next year. Is it a waste of our time to change school for her last year?
I know, but I don't think any of her friends know about this. Is it true that you're leaving school?
What? Say it. What do you mean by might be leaving school?
Explain.
Talk. What is?
My dad is shortlisted for a potential promotion in his work, which means we might have to move to another city so he can be at the headquarters. What I mean by Mike is that he might not be promoted, so I might stay. Oh, come on, don't be mad at me. This is as news to you guys as it is to me.
What are the chances of you leaving school?
Nearly 80%.
No, absolutely no.
What?
When will you be leaving school?
The result of the promotion is tonight. So if all goes well for him, then tomorrow's half.
Our job for today is done. We did our deed. It's time to let Benny rest on its own.
And it's time for us to feed ourselves. Let's go, Prina. I'm starving.